Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra is not a political yatra, and this yatra is not of the Congress party. This yatra is yatra of people of India, and it is to give the justice, to demand the justice to various sections of the people. So we want to appeal the people of Manipur who are very peace loving to join this yatra, to send a clear message to all over that whoever is trying to divide and create confusion in Manipur, disturbing the peace, the people of Manipur will not allow it. Majority of the people of Manipur wants peace. They want to restore peace, and they want to help to restore peace. So we want to appeal the government led by Mr. Birendra Singh, use this yatra to get the peace, to restore the peace in the state of Manipur, and that is what the people of the state wants. Chief Minister should not come in the way of the peace in the state of Manipur. He should not get tangled with the BJP leaders' politics in Manipur. Right now, the priority for Manipur is restoring the peace, and the yatra is going to help the people of Manipur to come out, to join this yatra, and to send a very strong message to all those people who want to disturb the peace in Manipur. So we appeal everyone to join these peace-loving people, to join this yatra which want to bring everyone together and demand for justice. And first, justice is in Manipur. Now, BJP leadership, whether it's in Manipur or at the national level, they are scared of Rahul Gandhi, who is the ambassador of peace. He is leading this yatra as an ambassador of peace. Congress party is only the facilitator. We are facilitating this yatra. We are supporting this yatra, which is the people's yatra. And in every form, they want to disturb this yatra. They don't want Rahul Gandhi ji to bring all the people of India together, demanding the justice and sharing the love. Let me just tell you again, our PCC president applied for the permission at Palace Ground on 2nd of January. Now it's a matter of just 2 or 3 days or maximum 4 days to grant this permission. He was continuously calling up the Chief Secretary. Our CLP leader also was in touch with the Chief Secretary for the permission. They were only saying the file is with the Chief Minister. Now, it is clear the Chief Minister has no priority. His priority is something else, not for the peace. And ultimately, PCC President and our office decided to meet the Chief Secretary on 8th, that is last Monday. Chief Secretary assured us on the same day evening he will let us know and he will call the PCC President. But despite several calls, no response from him. The next day, our President meets the Chief Minister. Chief Minister denies granting the permission. See the events that are unfolded. Now, to erect the stage, to make the preparation, we need time. Minimum 5 days is required for the stage to be erected. And they are just trying to delay. Chief Minister is blindly denying, telling him that no permission will be granted. After he leaves, talks to media, then one order comes from the state government that the permission for the palace ground is granted. with a limited crowd. They have used the word with a restricted crowd. Now see the confusion in the government. If any administration, I don't understand where we have a full-fledged government and government is no clarity. Chief Minister at 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock says no permission. Then the Home Department issues the order in the evening after the press conference saying that you are granting the permission.